Hello guys, in this video let us discuss about four simple questions related on Wheatstone Bridge. Now this first question is asked in 13th May 2023. As shown in figure in a Wheatstone Bridge, three resistances P, Q, R are connected in three arms and fourth arm is formed by two resistances S1, S2 connected in parallel. Then the condition for the bridge to be balanced. So first S1, S2 are connected in parallel, no? Okay. So resistance in parallel. How we will write? 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. If we take the effective resistance as S effective, then what can I write? 1 by S1 plus 1 by S2. R1, R2 I am thinking. So 1 by S effective is equal to S2 plus S1 by S1 S2, or S effective for this parallel combination S1 S2 by S1 plus S2. Right? Okay. So now redrawing this, what I will get? P Q R, and this is S1 S2 by S1 plus S2. Right? Now he is saying the condition for balanced bridge. For balanced bridge, P by Q is equal to R by S, no. In place of S, what you are having? S1 S2 by S1 plus S2. So answer is P by Q is equal to R S1 plus S2. This will come into numerator by S1 S2. So P by Q equal to R S1 plus S2 by S1 S2. Option B is the correct answer. Now next, the Wheatstone bridge shown in the diagram is balanced. If P3 is power dissipated by R3, so power dissipated by R3, what he said? P3. P1 power dissipated by R1, is P1. Then the ratio of P3 to P1 he is asking, and he gave the Wheatstone bridge here. Right? Now formula for power: voltage into current. According to Ohm's law, voltage is IR. So this is I square R we will get. Formula for power. Now this is Wheatstone bridge. No? Now what is the balancing condition? Okay. First let us write the balancing condition of Wheatstone bridge. So P by Q is equal to R by S, or we can write R1 by R3. Okay, first let us write in such a way. P by Q is equal to R by S. We will write no. That only I am writing as R1 by R3 is equal to L by K. Okay. P by Q is equal to R by S. So assume this P, Q, R, S in such a way. Right? We got this balancing condition. What? Next, P3 and P1. No, first let us write P3 is equal to I square R3. P1 is equal to I square R1. Right? Now, P3 by P1. I square R3 by I square R1. So, P3 by P1. R3 by R1. But what is R3 by R1? So, R1 by R3 is L by K. So, if you do the reciprocal, R3 by R1, K by L. So, P3 by P1 is equal to K by L. K by L here. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Now next, let us go for this. This is asked in 2023. This is asked in 2024. Okay. Now, the potential difference across the filament of a bulb in the Wheatstone bridge is I to I plus 1, where I is the current in ampere through filament of bulb. EMF of battery VA. So, bridge become balanced when, okay, balancing condition, when it becomes, what must be the value of VA so that the bridge becomes balanced. So first let us assume the resistance of bulb. R bulb I am writing. Here in 4 arms, 4, 8, 12 ohms are connected. I mean this arm he connected bulb. Let us assume the resistance of bulb as R bulb. So for Wheatstone bridge, the balance condition P by Q equal to R by S. 4 by R bulb is equal to 8 by 12. But we want R bulb value. R bulb come to this side means 12 by 8 into 4. 2s are 6 are. So 6 ohms is the resistance of this filament of a bulb. Right? So now potential across. What he gave? V equal to I. 2I plus 1 he gave. Okay. Now V means according to Ohm's law. Ohm's law. V equal to IR. So I 2I plus 1. I strikes of R equal to 2I plus 1. What is R? The resistance of bulb 6 ohms. 2I plus 1. Or 6 minus 1 equal to 2I. Or 5 equal to 2I. I equal to 5 by 2 amperes we got. Right? But what he's saying to find out VA. Okay. So now let us write that VA in this upper part. So VA as usual according to Ohm's law IR. Now I into what is R? 4 it is connected in series. No, these two. So 4 plus 6. So 10 I. What is I? 5 by 2. 2 5s are. So 5 5s are 25 volts. If VA is 25 volts, then bridge will be balanced. This is asked in 2024. Now the fourth question or last question of this video. Now what he is saying, if the Wheatstone bridge is connected in such a way, then what is the balancing condition? 4 options he gave. Generally, what is the balancing condition? R2 by R4 balance condition is equal to R1 by R3. But anywhere he gave that? No. But he gave R2 by R1 is equal to R4 by R3. R2 by R1. I am bringing to this side. R4 I am taking to this side. From this we got this. So option A is the correct one. This is asked in September 2020. So these are the 4 problems related to Eapcet asked in a particular years. If you like my video, share it, subscribe it. Thank you.